Hey, so real quick update on a very informal test I ran that's going to be informing some of what I'm doing in the future. I was helping promote a coaching series for this coach, and we had done her introductory price since it wasn't really a solid course. It was very introductory. There were some bugs, so we offered it at a lower price. Once we got everything worked out, it looked really good. We wanted to raise the price and sell it. So it had been selling at the introductory price, maybe one every day. And when we raised the price, it ended up going to one every 4 or 5 days, which was obviously less than ideal. So I took a video that she had done for something else. It was related, but it wasn't specifically promoting the course. It was just talking about her general expertise. I took that, I edited it down. It was about 5 minutes, and put that at the top of the landing page so people could really get to know her, see what she was about before committing to the course. And then 2 sales within 12 hours. So that was great. It was a small course, so that pretty much filled it up and ended the test. But going forward, we're gonna be experimenting more with putting video on a landing page, as well as using video in pop-up ads on the website. So I'll let you know how that goes. Stay tuned.